it's Nelly over here from Art Division. This is day 3 and tip number 3 for estate and letting agents looking to plan and strategize a successful digital marketing campaign in 2020. So in my previous 2 videos, we covered 2 main components. One is who. Who are you looking to attract? That's the first one. The second one is we discussed what are their problems. So you were meant to think about who is your ideal client and the exact problems that this ideal client is currently experiencing. Today, I would like you to have a think about thereafter. So if your ideal client is a vendor and their problem is that they are looking to downsize because they don't need the property they currently have, they want to get the cash out, what is their ideal after? So imagine that they've just sold that big house that they have. Can you write down on a piece of paper what they're going to get once they achieve that goal? Are they going to move to a better property that doesn't need maintenance? Are they going to be in a better location? Is their social life going to improve? Will they be able to travel a bit more? Will they feel less stressed because their bills are a lot lower? Perhaps they don't have to clean as much as they used to before. Maybe they don't have the expenses of looking after a garden. So what is their after, their ideal after, once they have moved from that state of problem, so the property they currently have, which they don't want, to their after, so their dream place in life they want to be in 2020. Again, write down what you believe they really want to get once they sell or let their property. Again, that is something that's really going to help with your messaging, and I'll explain again in further videos to come. But for now, just trust me and write down thereafter what is it that they really want to get. Until then, all the best.